I don't really do this, but welcome back to my channel. I applied it at the back of my hand first so it won't get cakey. Then I'm just patting it with this small blending brush. I'm just spot concealing, but I'm not using foundation, so I'm putting it all over. I'm also applying it on areas that I want to highlight. Then blend it until you get the result that you want. Then I'm also applying the leftover concealer on my eyelids as a primer. Tap the area first, then apply setting powder so it won't crease. Then apply it on areas that you want to mattify. Time for the eye makeup. I'm using an eyeshadow with hints of gold to brighten up my eyes. I'm using this cool tone brown eyeshadow to make my eyes look deep. Now I'm just tight lining using this brown gel liner. I'm adding a little wing to elongate my eyes. I don't flick my eyeliner all the way. I like to build it up bit by bit. I'm using this pink lip tint as a base. I'm using this to make it less matte. I'm using this berry colored tint for the gradient look. I don't have a tall nose bridge, so I'm contouring my nose. I'm using a clean brush to get rid of excess powder and harsh lines. Now I'm using an angled brush to contour my face. I don't know how to put blush, so I'm just patting this. I'm using this brown eyeshadow to add a subtle wing. I added mascara and curled my lashes off cam. I'm just adding more blush this time, and I muted my audio just so you'd know what I'm doing and why it's swaying. I'm just using it to brighten up the center of my face. And now a bit of highlight. And we're done. I'm just fixing my hair. I forgot to take a before clip, so here you go. Dun 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 dun! Awkward camera moment! Oh man, why are you doing this? And because I'm indecisive, I added all the photos that I took. If you want me to cosplay another character, leave it on the comment section. I don't usually do this, so this is very awkward. I'm so sorry.